I chose Nicolet because it's a very small and intimate campus. I really liked the kitchen and the facilities were wonderful, but I think the main reason was that it's a small campus. You're not going to get lost in the crowd by any means, and I really like the attention that we get from the instructors and faculty here.
Once you're done with the culinary arts program, there's a lot of different career opportunities that you can pursue. You can be an executive chef, you could be a sous chef, you could run your own business, you could be a pastry chef or work in a bakery as a cake decorator. You could sell food for one of our many food service suppliers. There's really just a lot of jobs, from food photography to working in school food service and personal chefs and corporate chefs. There's really a job for everybody once you're done with our program.
On a weekly basis, I would say your classes are about half and half between lab classes and lecture classes. Lab classes, you are in school, in the kitchen, and working hard, either making recipes or just properly following new kitchen procedures. And the other half is lecture classes, where you're really doing a lot of self-study and looking into those procedures and methods on your own. But it's all really fun material, and if you like food or drinks or anything like that, I think you'll really enjoy the material that the teachers provide for you.
Top of the Hill is kind of our culmination of all the skills that are learned throughout the program. We serve the public. We also have a grab-and-go deli, so we serve people that make reservations for our meals at the Top of the Hill. And the meals are usually planned by the students. The second-year students come up with a theme, and we test those recipes and come up with a plan in our catering class. And then second semester, we serve that to the public. So the students get to plan everything from the music and the decor to the food that they choose. They have to scale out the recipes so that they have the right yield. And then in the class, which we call practicum, we serve the public and students rotate through the different positions. So it really gives everybody a taste of what it is to be in a restaurant and what it is in each position.
All of our instructors have experience in the industry, whether it be ownership or management or both. And that's not just like a short-term experience. Most of our instructors do have up to decades of experience in ownership or management of restaurant establishments. So I wouldn't second guess the experience or the knowledge of our instructors at all.
We also have a Culinary Club. We're a junior ACF club, and every year that club kind of comes up with its own goals and what they would like to do. We take trips to the Milwaukee Restaurant Show. We've gone to ACF conventions across the country. We do some fundraising, and sometimes we tour local businesses. We've gone to a few cheese operations and a lot of different things, just depending on what the students want to do that year. So being a smaller program, it's really nice. You get a lot to say in what we're doing in the club, and having just the smaller class sizes is really definitely unique.